Here we go with another Shout Out Monday evening, and today's acronym is Some Age. So let's find out what this is all about. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And today, our acronym of Some Age is Shout Out Monday Evening, Always Grow Effectively. Now, the reason I chose age is because the topic of this discussion today is going to be weathering. And I found a great channel for you to take a look at who does wonderful weathering on everything that he puts his paintbrush on. So right after this, we're going to see who that is. I would like to thank everyone that I have listed over here, from the oldest contributor to the newest contributor on the bottom right here. Thank you very much for your support. Without your support, I would not be able to do a lot of the videos that I do, teaching model railroaders how to do the tasks that I show in my videos. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If you would like to see more videos like this on model railroading and model railroading for beginners and how-to videos, hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ding that bell, and that'll notify you whenever I have a new video coming out. And if you would like to see what other videos that I have, go to my channel page, and from there you can see what I have, and I'll show you a little demonstration of it right here. If you happen to be watching one of my videos, go down to right here where it says Tom's Trains and Things. Click on that, and that'll bring you to my home page. Click on playlists, and that'll bring up a list of my playlists. You could hit view 30 plus more, and that will show you more playlists that I have. Now, if you're using the new version of YouTube, it'll just keep on going. You won't have to hit load more. I have over 40 playlists on here where you could easily find what you're looking for because they're categorized by topics. Now, let's go see who we're talking about today. And it's not me, it's Dan's Railroad 2011. This guy has a lot of videos on here about weathering, and he does an excellent job of it. I'm going to bring up this video right here. Okay. Now, this is some of his work that he does. Now, as you could see, he does an excellent job of weathering and putting graffiti on the rolling stock and everything else. I suggest you go check out his channel. He's got a lot of videos on here that have a lot of good information for you if you like to do any weathering on your rolling stock or on your locomotive. It's Dan's Railroad 2011, and probably because he started his channel in 2011, April 29th, 2011. He has a Google Plus channel, which has basically the same things on there, and as far as playlists, he's got liked videos and my music, so he doesn't have any of his other videos in his playlist. So all you have to do is just go down and scroll through all his videos to see what he has. And he's got a lot of good stuff on there, and he has some rail fanning videos in there also. So go check him out. Dan's Railroad 2011 if you like weathering, because you can learn a lot from what he has to offer in his channel. So go ahead and click on his subscribe button, and while you're at it, ding that bell so you can be notified whenever he has a new video coming out. And while you're at it, click on Tom's Trains and Things subscribe button so you could be notified when I have a new video coming out. And I got them coming out on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And coming up on this Saturday, I have the next episode of Model Railroading for Beginners. So look for that. And on Wednesday, I have a new Q&A. I have a lot more questions that I will cover after that one also, because you just keep on asking a lot of questions. So I have a lot of answers for you. Other than last week, my last Q&A was in December sometime. So I'm going to try to do at least one a month and maybe stick 2 a month in there, depending on how many I get. But keep a lookout for that. I got one coming up Wednesday, and I have a lot more that I need to cover, and I'll be putting that up before the end of the month also. So that'll be 3 in the month of February altogether. And I have some new project videos that I'm working on that I'll have in this month also, so you could take a look at them. Now, the reason I put that thing on there about the playlist is there are a lot of people that you just ask me, do you have a video on this or do you have a video on that, without them looking. So that, you know, it's a good idea just to click on my channel icon and just look through the playlists on there. You could find anything you want through those playlists. And just to change the subject a little bit, okay, I was on Creator Community for over a year, and they just, they're closing it out. Right now it's read only, and I'm involved in a couple of other things. You could check out my other channel if you need to know anything about YouTube. I have my other channel up there where I give useful information about YouTube. So go check that out. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and ding that bell so you can be notified whenever I have something else coming out. I learned something about YouTube the other day that I've never known about. YouTube keeps talking about that they have over 1.5 billion users on there, but they never really said how many of those users are creators. Social Blade just came out with some pretty neat statistics about YouTube, that there are about 21 million creators. So that is just 1.4 of the total users on YouTube are creators. And another statistic that they came out, they did a bunch of charts that I'm not going to put up here. 89% of the creators on YouTube are not eligible for monetization. That means they are under 1,000 subscribers. That means there's only 11% of those 21 million creators that can monetize their videos on YouTube. So that is an amazing statistic right there in its own. I really didn't know that there were so little creators to begin with, and so little that were eligible for monetization. We're gonna go for right now. Sadie's down here laying again. She's watching what I'm doing. You gonna jump up here again and say hi? Come on. She's shy today. I don't think she's going to, but she just walked away. She said, you're not getting me up there again. So we'll see you.